Ebo Stone. I never talked to Ebo Stone before. Today, I want to talk to Ebo Stone because of Destiny Ebagua. Destiny Ebagua, I know her before, way back, years ago. I know her in the film. So don't say, not be my enemy, he's my brother, he's my friend. I'm not getting issue with them. But at the end, I say, they are point down. But Ebo Stone go lie for his head. They come pursue one. Ebo Stone, may I tell you something, eh? Forget what today. You see this Destiny Ebagua, may I tell you so. Eh? Now big meat it be. But man don't know. He come be like say Destiny said not know himself. Although he be. Ebo Stone will be sampets. Will be sticky bloody ashes. It is smell. Come lie for your head. They can't drive you. Destiny Ebagua, I'm so disappointed in you. I'm so disappointed in you. It be like say, you not shele. You not shele. It pay me this bowl. They say you will go sell house. You sell house. You go give them a Stone money. Where they say return you for that. For Destiny, for good rocket, for who you be. A Stone will be suckmess, will be a share where they smell. Now you come and use your head, you will know yourself. It's so painful. Nah, they hear that say they don't drive you for work. Say position where they give you, they don't really drive you. But that's so sad. That's the Ebagua. If you don't fight back, or God, if you don't fight back, I go y'all know say it get where you take it. I go y'all the vest for you. I go y'all know say you don't be that man. Ebo Stone, if not be see finish, you are Ebo Stone and mates. That's the Ebagua. You don't rain 6 now. Destiny 1, Destiny 2, Destiny 3, Destiny 4. And that time, Ebo Stone still do conductor. That time when you dey rain that year, Ebo Stone see the drag bus conductor for the road. Destiny come people say you don't come on yourself. Now when they cross my top say, I don't say you my guy, but that's you not shele one. You don't dey too active. He pay me, you don't get away big. Brother and brother, you don't get anyone big. You are my blood. This Ebo Stone, the way you dey spread people name, they go. The way you dey spread people name, they reach yourself, they spread people name. He will not be well with you. I never thought you say this Ebo Stone once. But today, I will talk to you today. Ebo Stone are rats. Oh, fuck you. The way they spread people name, they go. Now you go lie for Destiny head. They don't pursue one now. Destiny Ebagua, if you not fight back, if you not drill Ebo Stone, Baba, I go vex for you. Come and say you don't even know who you be self. Me don't understand you. Something like this, action like this gonna use you to they play. They lie for your head. Destiny, you go sell your house. Give them money. Give Sylvester, give Ebo Stone money. So Destiny, you go to work for that office. You go to meet the give Ebo Stone. Ebo Stone be a chef. Ah, Destiny, he pay me this ball for you. You will be correct man. Ah, you go to work for office. You go to give Ebo Stone money. Ah, he pay me this ball for you. Pay me this ball. Big people you be. Pay me this ball. Essence now, when they follow you, they do. They can't die for her now. They don't pursue you for work now. They don't pursue you. They say that Ebo Stone. They say that Ebo Stone. Now he pursue you for work. That's the Ebagua. He pay me this ball for you. I care for you. You don't do that job. See, me not say that. To say that Billy a day. Ebo Stone say don't back assist now. They mad. Ogu dey kill Ebo Stone. Ebo Stone Ogu dey kill you. When you lie for people here, they go push them for work. You don't matter who you be. Sticky bloody serpent like you. Go drag. You go lie for this smart head. There's Ebagua. They can't drive out for work. It will not be well with you. Some people know say Destiny go to give Ebo Stone money every month. Ah, Destiny. Why now? You not so picking. Now today you begin. Who be Ebo Stone? If not be money where they package for government, who be Ebo Stone now? Ebo Stone are rats now. Now rats be for you say every day. But destiny, you don't know yourself. You couldn't follow the package. No. You don't bite you for back now. They don't collect your word for your heart. Those are. But if you don't fight back, Baba, if you don't fight back, I will not say you don't be destiny. These rats, these Bosto, they lie, they give people, they go, they're going to pursue them. They don't pursue that destiny. Come on, I'm going to tell you this today. Now, I'm going to say, I'm going to say, I don't be poor person for America. So, I don't be, I don't fancy say. So, me, now, Obra for America. And I don't be so king. So, but, make una give destiny that position. Back straight. Not give her back. Now, I don't man. Una don't give her that position. I hear say destiny go sell house. Give una money, make it take that position. And just say I finish, give una blood. After some time, una come discharge her. You don't go walk. Destiny you go fight back. If una get destiny no back. When I send her, give me that corner 101. Man, can I wait till you want to do a posto? Man, can I tell her, wait till you want to do a posto? I will tell her. All the office where a posto open, all of them, they open posto. A posto, they're mad. Oko be like this way. Who are you? That day you feel make me say, me about no eternity again. Who the hell are you there, Chris? See how much make sure man if you couldn't care about your man, who bell? You go laugh for this man head, this Ebagua, they can't drive her for work. A posto, he remember to grab with you. This man will give you money every month. That's naive way to pass. Who be a posto when they give money every month? No, you don't fuck you up now. You go laugh for your head now. They don't drive you. Come on, you must bring destiny back to that office. You must bring her back because whenever I hear say destiny do anything, you have to do anything. This is from office. Say that office. Whenever I hear say see what he do. But the posto don't go laugh for this man head that you're pursuing. He don't walk. A posto is by a bad person. And the people they talk about you. And they feel say, a normal level. And I can't see her. You go do it to my own brother destiny. Even say me and they talk. I don't know destiny for more than 20 years. I don't know destiny. Where's the bonus for you? That I say, the posto they do come to that thing. I don't know destiny. Now me they go destiny office for. But I don't want to talk many things. He go sit down near me like this. I will tell. Wait, no destiny. I don't have two different things. Destiny 1, destiny 2, destiny 3. Who be a posto? Because say destiny, you carry a posto follow body. Now you don't back you for back. You will be correct man. If you don't fight back, destiny, if you don't fight back, go pay me this bone. If you don't go out like that, unless they give you the office back, you go sell your house. The office will for sell your house. They don't come out you. Who no what will happen? It don't happen. If they sack somebody, they will never sack you. It don't happen. And this is also now they will take stop. Can you imagine? Feel for this man on destiny. They say he sell house. He sell his house. Give them the posto money as investor. No, they don't jump out for work. See, I come, my good to run 1 or 2 things. I come. Yesterday, no, my could go run 1 or 2 matter. The posto too small now. When they carry me, they do a matter now. Destiny is not 50. More than 70 destiny. But I not shut me. Man, tell her what you want to do. Yesterday, I don't go somewhere. I don't know something just fall for my eye. I can't do like this. My eye can swear. Pay me this bone. If you not get destiny, no but more than send her give me. Man, tell her what you want to do a posto. A posto or go here boy. You lie. We're not talking here. We're not talking here. A destiny be and I where. We not see what destiny do for that place. Say, or you go more, nothing. To just carry this man come aside. You just laugh for this man head. They just pursue him. Ebosto, Ogo here boy. You not small picking, you be small at Ebosto, Ogo boy. The way you just swear this man name, that's the Ebagua. Ogo here boy, because I hear say, now you go like, I even hear say, what the people say, Destiny go sell house with $1 million. He give a Ebosto and Sivet to remain in the office. After some time, they can't drive her. Who does that? That's the blessing of God. You don't know yourself. Oh. The blessing you don't know who you be. The blessing you slow. After who you be, you take government. Somebody will drive you. Who want to drive you? Be like you say. Be like you. You should send a Ebosto message. Auto you be. You say, "How far? Go help me go back this level. Come. You go." But it was so called touch you to small picking. You will be big meat. Big meat now you be. This is less boss conductor. Java, where Kabakato say the boy get mental problem. Come pursue you for work. Go lie. You will meet. They give this guy every month Destiny. You will meet. They give some pay. They give a shares with a smell for every day. A share with a smell. Then they smell. They're gonna give this HS money. No, don't drive it for work. Oh God, if you don't fight back, you go pay me for you. Now this kind of word, when I get to there, when I want to tell you, now I tell you so. If you don't fight back, you don't be Destiny. Now I drive, I go wrong one or two things. If you don't fight back. Now me say you don't be Destiny. I can imagine. A Bosto or go kill you. You go lie, they go drive this man. They say this man sell his house. Say this man sell house, he give you money. When I come tell her for work, Egba. That's the Ebagua. If you don't fight back, go pay me for you. If you don't fight back, he go pay me for you. What you make you join her? You not so big. You not all to the tele.